friends, my name is Chloe. The title of my story is Coronavirus, a Gatecrasher in Our Space. This pandemic started in China, in the city of Wuhan, and spread like wildfire to other parts of the world. This virus, commonly called COVID-19, co meaning corona, VI virus, D is for disease, 19 the year is started. The symptoms are dry cough, difficulties in breathing, running nostrils, sore throat, and high fever. To prevent corona, wash our hands frequently with clean water and soap. Social distancing, stay 1 meter apart from each other. Wear your mask and stay home. Because of corona, I can no longer go to school, I could no longer go to church, I could no longer visit my friends again. A poem on corona. You came like a thief in the night, took away so many lives with your knife. To be free and survive, wash our hands and stay with the fight. Oh coronavirus, how dangerous you are. Like a wind, we feel you but we can't see you. Your harmful deeds on mankind has to stop. We will fight you with every sword and summon you to our Father who is our Lord. Coronavirus, a gatecrasher in our space. This chart represents how we're washing our hands with clean water and soap. These are the things you should do to stay safe. Wash our hands with clean water and soap. Social distancing, stay 1 meter apart from each other. Wear your mask, stay home. These are the things you should avoid. Avoid crowd, no handshake. Avoid touching your mouth, your eyes, and your nose. No hugs. This is the world locked up in a cage. Together, let's break the chain of coronavirus. This is the school compound. There should be a bucket with clean water and soap. Wash our hands with clean water and soap before entering the school. These are the pillars. This sign shows that you should not touch the pillars. COVID-19 safety poster. This poster should be posted all around the school compound. Wash your hands frequently with clean water and soap. Use only your school items like books, pencils, and water bottles. Avoid touching. Keep your hands off your face. Ensemble, luttons contre le Covid-19. Merci.